Here are the simple steps of changing your name on TikTok. We're going to open our TikTok app on iPhone or Android. It doesn't really matter because the steps are absolutely the same for both. Once we open the app, we're going to open the profile page by tapping at the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on the Edit option. This will open our profile editor where we will be able to change a lot of things, like the username. We can add different links, but let's tap on Name right here, which is then going to allow us to change our name on TikTok. I'm currently unable to change my name because I've changed it one time in the past 7 days. So keep in mind that TikTok has a limitation where you can change your name or your nickname only one time every 7 days. So it says here that I can try again after September the 19th, but you just type in anything you want in here and then tap on the Save option at the top right corner in order to update your TikTok name and save your changes. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more similar TikTok tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.